I slept really horribly last night, so I really need this coffee and breakfast. So that is breakfast, protein coffee, and bagel with just some grape jelly. My favorite thing is like just toasted bread and like jam, so I love it. First part of my day, it's work time. Got my coffee, we're finishing that. I have like 5 or 6 meetings this morning, so I got my little pink laptop ready to go. And then my tripod for this is ridiculous because it's just a stack of books. And when I say tripod, I mean my like computer stand. But yeah, so I'm gonna bang this out and then I'm gonna get to the gym. Meetings are done, we are on the way to the gym. It is leg day. Where'd my dog go? Bye, Zuko. Lunchtime. I'm gonna be having some leftover shepherd's pie. I made this in a video yesterday or a couple days ago, depending on when I upload this video. But it looks like slop, but I promise it tastes so good. Then I'm gonna probably have this base bar that I got from Aldi. It's Elevation brand. And it's maple glazed donut flavor. It's pretty good, not my favorite protein bar, but it shall do. So that's gonna be lunch. Hello, so it's like 5:30 p.m. right now, and I did not cook earlier in the day like I normally do, so I do not have dinner prepared, and I still have like 3 afternoon meetings to go. So we're just gonna have a couple handfuls of granola in between some meetings right now, and we're gonna hope that satisfies me until I can cook at 7 p.m. Dinner after I already ate it, because I forgot I was filming a video, but this is what I had. These are leftovers for tomorrow, but I grilled a pork tenderloin, and I wish I filmed some of that now. But I grilled the pork tenderloin, there's some asparagus in there, and some white rice on the bottom, so that was dinner. And the last thing we're gonna be eating tonight, we have a glass of 1% milk and Nesquik. All right, guys, have a good day.